Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a no-code platform that matches your game type. Choose Construct, a visual graph, or a drag-and-drop web builder. Next, import minimal assets, 3 sprites, a tileset, 1 looped music track, and a sound effect so you can iterate quickly. Then create the playable loop. Set controls, a clear objective, and success or fail states. Once done, wire a simple event that moves a player's sprite and triggers a sound. This gets you into rapid testing immediately. You now expand core systems. Add movement, collision responses, scoring, and a minimal HUD that displays feedback. Make heavy use of reusable events or behaviors so one change propagates. This saves hours. Once systems are stable, prototype levels by copying a base layout and adjusting variables for difficulty, enemy count, and pacing. Make sure to playtest each change immediately. Note feel and timing. As you polish, focus on readable UI. You wrap up by preparing exports for chosen targets, HTML5, PC, or mobile, and testing on real devices to catch platform quirks. Optimize before release. Shrink sprites, combine short audio files, and cap active objects so frame rate holds. When bugs appear, isolate one issue per test pass and revert to the last known good build if needed. This prevents cascading changes. Finally, gather focused feedback from 3-5 players. Make targeted fixes and publish. If something breaks, recreate the bug reliably, then fix and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.